Hello, Driving Intelligence community. What you see in front of you here is my bike that I had in Japan. This was my main transportation while I lived there almost 2 years. Awesome bike, 7 speeds. It's got a generator that with a light that automatically turns on in the evening. I want to take it for a ride here, but it's flat. And it turns out the inner tube is a special kind of inner tube that you can only get parts for in Japan. Well, thanks to an amazing friend of mine in Japan, I have that part. I bought this bike when I moved to Japan in 2008, working for a high-tech company in the semiconductor industry. And I just saw this bike in a shop and I said, I gotta have it. I think it's a good looking bike. It looks masculine, but kind of classy. But I brought it back with me to the United States, and over the years it just sat and these little valve stems failed on me. So looking around on the internet, couldn't find any solution to this other than this one picture that showed up from somebody that was trying to explain this, I think from Japan, and it's called a Mushi Gomu. The plunger part, I guess, is called the Mushi, is shown in this picture, and the Gomu is the sleeve or the tube that goes on that valve. So I had to reach out to my friend in Japan, a very good friend of mine, and she sent me the parts that I need. I hope they weren't too expensive, but I plan on taking her out to a nice dinner next time I'm in Japan. This is called a Mushi Gomu style valve. My friend in Japan may correct me. Basically, you leave it as is once you pull this cap off, and then you put this over. This is spring loaded, and the air pressure pushes past this little valve. Well, actually, it's not even a valve, it's a sleeve. The air goes past the sleeve, and that sleeve is what seals it. These go bad. I mean, it's a very simple system, but these will go bad. And you can get new ones in Japan, but not in the United States. So my friend in Japan sent these to me. Thank you, Satoko. And I'm gonna install these on the bike and get it running again. The kit comes with new valves and sleeves, so these are the sleeves, and I wonder if I could find this sleeve somewhere instead of having to buy the whole kit. Anyway, you have to slide it on the valve and then insert it. So let's put this together and see how it operates. All right, so the sleeve is on. Now I just need to install it on the bike, and hopefully this will correct the problem I was dealing with, losing air. All right, it's installed, so let's pump this mama-chari up. Well, it appears to be holding. I'm riding this thing tomorrow if it holds air, otherwise I'm going to my mountain bike. Looks like repair of the mama-chari was successful. Right, Abe? This old Japanese bike is working. See if this old Japanese bike can pass these American bikes. Oh yeah! See you, Randy!
No! I'm right behind you.
See you, Marshall! Well, this old Japanese bike did well against those much newer mountain bikes. So, looks like it held up. Thanks for watching Driving Intelligence. See you next time.